Ever wondered what to do if the GPWS shouts glide slope on final approach? Let's break down the exact pilot actions when you get a glide slope caution in the Airbus 320 cockpit. The first thing, stay calm and focus. If you are above 1000 feet in EMC or 500 feet in VMC, this alert means you are drifted below the glide path. Your immediate response adjusts the pitch and thrust smoothly. The goal is to reduce the deviation and intercept the glide path. Don't make wild corrections. If this happens during a deliberate approach below the glide slope, like circling or visual, you must set glide slope mode off to silence the alert. But if conditions are not right or the deviation can't be safely corrected, always consider a go-round. Don't try to salvage a bad approach. Quick tip: the summary memory item is simple. Adjust flight path, set glide slope off if necessary, or go around if unstable. Safety comes first always. Remember, following these steps ensures every landing stays safe. No surprises on the short final. And if you want more confidence in every approach, practice these actions in the sim until they are second nature. Smash that like, subscribe, and tell me your trickiest approach in the comments.